Test recursive Python function. I have a recursive function that I'm looking to test, however I'm having difficulty limiting the recursive call during testing. For example, below is a simple example of a recursive function that calls a bool underscore function n to check if it should break the recursive loop. What would be the best way to test or mock bool underscore function n so that it is true for the first iteration and false for any call after?
You could always implement a class to encapsulate the state and give you more flexibility. Here's a sketch.
If, beside other suggested solutions, you really want to mock it, and want to do it yourself, without the mocking libraries, by just replacing the mocked function. If these are two separate modules, then instead of global bool underscore function and bool underscore function equals dot dot dot, just use the sum module dot bool underscore function equals dot dot dot. If you want to use the mocking library, then it depends on which library you use. If that is unitist.mock, then you should play with side underscore effect equals dot 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 and wraps equals dot dot dot, see the manual. The same approach, mock it, and unmock it from inside the side effect on the first use.
For Python is greater than 3.6.
Just pass the function as an argument. If function is none, you can apply some default behavior if that is desired. This is a common approach used in queries to iterables, for example Django queries or Peewee queries, in most of languages. A function that returns Boolean is usually called a predicate.
Schuberts recursive.